Welcome to the Star Vista Mall. Star Vista is an open concept, open air mall where it integrates shopping, retail and commerce into one location. With multiple points of ingress and egress, as well as a central space that remains litter-free remarkably against all odds. The Star Vista makes for a perfect example of what a perfect shopping mall in Singapore should look like. Utilizing not only intelligent architecture and design, but also modern sustainable concepts such as bottom-up cooling, using air conditioners at the very bottom to cool area, and having the open air concept allow for ventilation that naturally cools the entire mall. Featuring a performing arts center to cater to the tasteful, eateries that feature cuisines from around the world so that you never get bored, as well as a chic, green, plant-filled, vibrant atmosphere that leaves any shopper happy and go lucky. The Star Vista makes for an excellent example of what can be achieved if we just try a little bit harder. Sustainable, environmentally friendly, smart in its design, in its architecture, integrated with wellness, life and health. With greenery in every corner and with convenience as its main message. There is nothing that it lacks. Navigation and pathfinding have never been easier, as the Star Vista offers digital kiosks all around the mall with options to find not only restrooms, accessible restrooms, ATMs, but more, where you can find places to eat and shop.
For its safety and security features, Star Vista has a floor plan at every lift lobby, as well as well-illuminated exit signs to guide evacuation in case of an emergency. It also has a fire hose in case of a fire, as well as an AED in case of medical emergencies. Security cameras cover the general vicinity to ensure that no funny business is going on. One sustainability challenge observed in Star Vista is that it is still using many fluorescent lights, and many lights are still turned on in natural well-lit areas. This wastes electricity as unneeded lighting is still in use, and fluorescent bulbs use way more electricity than LED lights. This can be solved by including sustainability clauses in tenant contracts, investing in more LED lighting, and turning off unneeded lighting.
Here are 3 smart facilities objectives. Firstly, introducing the Tenant Sustainability Engagement App, an AI-powered platform that unifies financial and non-financial data to reduce inefficiency and streamline reporting. Tenants can now track their utility usage in real time, receive practical green tips to lower consumption. This shared approach empowers everyone to contribute driving sustainability across the mall. Secondly, we have our smart waste management system where they use sensor-based bins and powerful data analytic, tracking bin usage patterns in real time. This smart approach will help cut collection frequency by 25% without compromising hygiene. Our mission statement for the Star Vista is simple. It is to create a safe, welcoming, and efficient environment for everyone. Through sustainable practices, innovative solutions, and reliable building systems, we deliver exceptional experiences for tenants, staff, and visitors. Lastly, at Star Vista, we're powering sustainability with smart energy monitoring. Smart meters track electricity usage across all zones, giving us live insights to act fast. With AI-driven recommendations targeting a 10% reduction in consumption within 12 months. This aligns with their naturally ventilated, eco-conscious design. It's efficient that works hand in hand with sustainability.
So now I will be talking about the organizational charts of the FM team. So first we have the head VP for leasing, which is Brenda Tay. And then for leasing and sales, we have Jennifer Ong, Khadijah, and Muhammad. And then for operations and facilities, we have Zalina Ahmad taking charge of 5 different members, which is Stefan, Bumon, Kelvin, Margaret, and Vidya. And as for marketing and communications, we have Cheryl To. For technical and production, we have the lead audio engineer, which is Clifford Chi, taking charge of Bert, Carl, Muhammad Shafiq. And then we have Eileen, which is the assistant production coordinator, which takes charge of Deeptak Kumar and Deeptak Dilo. And as for client services, we have Mata, we have Fugora, and we have Cedric. And lastly, we have the administrative support, which is Susanna and Caroline. And now I'll be talking about keys, roles, and responsibilities. So for video technicians, they technically just set up and operate video systems, troubleshoot issues, perform video editing, and manage the inventory. And as for marketing and communications, they lead campaigns, brand development, and internal or external communications. For audio engineer, they oversee audio systems, handle live mixing, and provide leadership to the audio team. While operations and facilities, they oversee day-to-day operations, and they manage the facility needs while leading the facilities team. Administrative support, where they manage office scheduling, documentations, and administrative workflows. Production coordinator is coordinating the logistics and vendors for events and production needs. And lastly, we have substance abuse counselor, whereas they provide counseling and they will manage the client treatment program.
So next I'll be talking about the maintenance and asset management. So the types of maintenance that Star Vista adopt is scheduled preventative maintenance by implementing scheduled cleaning routines at toilets, deploying 24/7 cleaning teams, and conducting regular lift servicing. It helps the management team proactively address potential issues before they arise, ensuring facilities are well maintained and the customer experience remains consistently high. Nextly, when an escalator unexpectedly fails, Star Vista will carry out an emergency maintenance by immediately isolating and blocking off the affected unit to ensure safety. A rapid response team is deployed to carry out an urgent repairs, minimizing downtime. With multiple escalators operating in both directions, customers continue to have an uninterrupted access between floors. Next, I'll be talking about the maintenance work strategies. So firstly, we have preventative maintenance, where it's a proactive approach to maintain equipment and facilities by performing regular inspections, servicing, and minor repairs before issues arise. It helps identify potential problems early, reducing the risk of unexpected failures. This method offers several benefits, including reduced downtime, lower long-term repair costs, and extended lifespan of assets. Organization can ensure smoother operations and a more reliable experience for users. For example, Star Vistas perform a monthly check of all fire extinguishers and emergency lighting, even though they are rarely used. This ensures that during fire emergency, everything works without failure. Nextly, we have predictive maintenance. It's the collection of data from sensors and applying advanced analytical tools and processes such as machine learning. It can identify, detect, and address issues as they occur, as well as predict the potential future state of equipment and reduce risk. The key is providing the right information at the right time to the right people. An IBM Institute for Business Value study found that 71% of executives say Gen AI fundamentally changes how they will manage assets. For example, the Star Vista AI system alerts the team that a specific chiller in air conditioning system shows signs of refrigerant leakage based on pressure trends and heat output. Maintenance is scheduled to refill and seal the unit before it breaks down, preventing discomfort for shoppers and tenants. Lastly, we have corrective maintenance. It is the category of maintenance tasks that are performed to rectify and repair faulty systems and equipment. The purpose of corrective maintenance is to restore systems that have broken down. It can be synonymous with breakdown or reactive maintenance. For example, the escalator breaks, a technician is called to identify and fix the issue, which could involve replacing worn-out parts, adjusting sensors, or resetting the motor system.
The Star Vista building is a great example of design for maintainability. One of the key striking features of Star Vista is its open air and naturally ventilated spaces and a dramatic 33-meter high entrance foyer. These design elements are not just for visual impact. They allow natural airflow to move through the building, especially in the public areas. By using wind and ventilation to cool the place, the mall reduces its reliance on air conditioning systems in common areas. This means fewer mechanical units need to be installed and maintained, which lowers both energy consumption and long-term servicing costs. Another key aspect of maintainability is seen in Star Vista roofing design, which is the roof slope and shading features. The building uses a combination of angled roof slopes, structural terraces, and rooftop gardens. Many parts of the roof are shaded using both built structures and vegetation. This strategic shading reduces direct solar heat gain and protects the roof from the intense tropical sun. In addition, the aluminium composite panels are used across the facade. These panels are lightweight, corrosion resistant, and hold up well in Singapore's hot and humid climate. Their smooth surface can be cleaned with minimal effort and without the need for special equipment or chemicals. Together, these materials help lower the building's ongoing maintenance workload while preserving its sleek and modern appearance. Next is the M&E services and term contractors. Of the term contractors is Mott MacDonald, which manages escalators and lifts, CCTV and fire protection system. The lighting is Lighting Planners Association.